perhaps the most honored guest, of course, except for the Taoiseach and his wife, is my dear friend from the United States Marine Corps, Colin Tiernan. He brought his brother, Joe. Good to see you, man. And here's the thing that Colin taught me when I was in the United States Senate. He taught me about sock diplomacy, about the importance of gifting socks to my fellow senators. Something that had, I'd give, Massachusetts socks to our friends from Massachusetts, and Utah socks to our friend from Utah. So, Colin, in your honor, I've worn these shamrocks. And I will say when we meet later in the Oval Office to the Taoiseach, the president is a very big fan of conservative dress. And so if he notices these socks, you have to defend me in the Oval Office and say, this is an important part of cementing the Irish-American relationship. And that's the only reason I'm wearing these socks. But we're thrilled to have you. Thank you, and God bless you.